Hey guys, so congrats on your new micro conversion kit, MCKSA9 for Springfield Armory, 9mm and 40. That's going to be an XD, XDM, XDM Mod 2, and XDM Elite models. First things first, I'm just going to show you how it looks coming out of the box and explain a couple of things to you guys to make your life a little bit easier. So here's the micro conversion kit for the Springfield. Now you're going to notice that it does not have a charging handle installed, and it does not have a gun door installed. Now the reason that we did that is because our MCKSA9 fits so many different models. We didn't want to take a guess as to which one you had and potentially have to change that out. So we're going to send it to you unassembled. It's very easy to assemble, and I'll show you what that looks like. So also in the box, you're going to have 3 bags, but first you pull out these 2. So this one here specifically is for the XD9 and XD40. Now there's a charging handle and 1 gun door in here. That is only if you have a standard XD. If you have something else, for example today, I have a 4-inch XD9 Mod 2. So because I have a Mod 2, I'll go to this bag and I will make sure I will find the correct charging handle. They are all labeled on top, what models they fit. I'll pull out the gun door, which we'll need to assemble as well. And then here's my correct charging handle. The other one can go back in the bag, back in the box, use it if you need to. So here we'll just show you how to put the charging handle in real quick. It's very easy. You just come in and rotate, just like that, and your charging handle is in. That's the easiest part. Here we're going to do the gun door. Now this gun door will fit the XD Mod 2, which we have, and then the XDM and XDM Elite. So this one we're going to put in, we're going to do this first. A 3rd bag, which will contain a gun door button, a gun door pin, and a little spring. Now the spring will go in first. It's going to go into this little hole, if you can see in there. And it doesn't matter which way is up or down, it just goes right in. Next would be the button. You want to make sure that the texture is facing up, and it's kind of like a ladder down. So that's going to go there. Next will be the gun door going here, so it can go in between these slots, and then this pin, which will come through either side and retain that. Now it's important that when you're pushing this pin through, you got to find that sweet spot for it to go through, and while you're doing that, it's important that you're also depressing this gun door button. That's what's going to help that spring. Now our gun door here is assembled. So to lock in like that, same thing if you're opening the gun door, it's just the button down and the gun door back. Make sure your charging handle is facing the right way. So real quick, I'll show you guys. For example, we have the XDM Mod 2. This is a 4-inch. This is something you should also pay attention to. Our MCKSA9 is going to fit 3/8, 4, 4.5, and 5-inch models. So it's important that you know which one it is. All of them should say it on the side. And adjust your barrel shroud to that setting. So here I have a 4-inch. I'm just going to move it up 1 notch here to the 4-inch. Put those screws back in and lock this barrel shroud down. Same thing on the other side. Just going to lock this in. Now we can take the fun part, the handgun, place it inside the MCK, like that, into the charging handle, as far back into the rear of that charging handle as you possibly can be. And we're going to slide it forward, pushing it down so it engages that rail lock. From there you can now close that gun door you assembled, and you're good to go.